Morning, everyone. It's 8:53, and this is Tuesday's pre-opening call. It is video 536, and I remind you of two things. First of all, if you like the work, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And number two, if you have any interest in hearing more about the futures trading, please give me a call or a direct message, and I will be happy to get you information and explanations, anything that you need to know. All right, so this morning we have Asia and Europe, both higher. The dollar had a little bit of a bounce. I think I mentioned that last night in the closing comment. The OPEC meeting, which was yesterday, was stopped yesterday, and they will be returning on Thursday. So we'll see if there's any renewed information coming out either before, during, or after. Chairman Powell has prepared statements. I guess he goes before Congress or the Senate or some of those useless beings. And he said that the economic growth is slowing. Not that we're not growing, just that we're growing at a reduced rate. Okay, ExxonMobil takes a $20 billion impairment charge on gas assets. Not really sure what that means, but nonetheless, that's the headline. Zoom, which beat by a mile on both earnings, revenues, new customers, more adoption. The stock was trading as high as 478 yesterday. The news came out. It went all the way down to 428, currently about 442 right now. Samsung is talking about discontinuing the Galaxy Note phone this coming year. So we'll see what that looks like. All of the vaccine and EV companies are higher. Moderna up $20, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, all up a little bit. We have LI Auto up a chunk. NEO is up, and a blast from the past, Mark, M-A-R-K, seems to be working its way back through $1.60. And I have to apologize to everyone for yesterday. We sold the BlackBerry because it was overbought and running into the top Bollinger Band. This morning they had news that they are a partner in a cloud-based vehicle platform, and the stock is 7 3/4 up $1.89. So we made a profit, but we missed the boat on that, and for that I apologize. Okay, the chart on the screen is the gold. I make no apologies for this one because we bought the GLD calls right about here. Just over the lows, and I was using Friday's low as a stopping out point. We never got anywhere near that, and the gold this morning, as you can see, is up $31. So that looks pretty decent. The Bitcoin is down a chunk this morning. Let's give a look here. It's down 670. It was up 2,800 yesterday. I expect there's going to be a lot of volatility in this name, in this area. As you can see, we've had, here's a range day of just under 3,000. Here's a range day 2,000. Here's a range day today 2,000. So, we're talking about something that back here was only selling for 4,000. Now it's having $2,000 ranges every day. I know that on a percentage basis, it's not that big a deal, but I will remind you that when we top out, or when we've had a big stall, you start to see these big range days. None bigger than, the 2017, where we had a range of 20 to 12,000. So I'm a little wary there, but we bought back a third of the GBTC position at a very advantageous price, 18.26, I believe was the number, and they were trading 22 and a half yesterday, so I'm okay with that. All right, everyone. The futures, sorry, the futures show market open of about 350 points. The S&P just under 40 points, and the Nasdaq about 120. And I'm looking at the tape, and BlackBerry just went by at 8.25. Again, sorry, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget, if you have any interest in learning about futures, give me a call or an email, and I'll be happy to provide it.